Hey you guys, it's me again. Alright, so since we were last together on Facebook, I gave you assignment 1 and it was to sketch 8 things using the Paul Cézanne technique. Now I want you to really relax and just take it easy, but I really want you to start looking at things to do that very assignment, alright? And then pick one that you want to post on the Facebook. You don't have to do all of them, but just one. And we're moving into assignment number 2. And I wanted to just give you a little insight on value and then this bubble chart. This is really helpful because you really want to be able to handle your pencil and your erasers, your stumps, everything that you use in drawing, especially with pencils and what have you. So I want you to make something in your sketchbook like so. You'll notice that you can use your ruler. Just make some squares. I need you to make at least 9 of them because a value scale, when you're using a pencil, can go into 9 different shades. All right, and you can use your 9B. Actually, all of your pencils. Don't use your 2B. I doubt you're going to get a lot of range with the number 2 pencil rather. And then I'll show you how to do this real simple bubble, at least with 10 little teardrops or what have you, so you can exercise what this value can do for you once you get the chart going. All right, so here's what happens first. Let me get my glasses on. Take your pencil. Low key is going to be your darkest shade. All right, so hold your pencil. You can hold it underneath like so and give it a nice press. You're going to want the blackest, darkest shade that you can find with your pencil, and I want you to go completely into the square. So don't make your squares too big, but I just want to see that you can handle a real dense, solid black. All right, short strokes with your pencil, holding it to the side. Sometimes when you hold it like straight up, it does give you a black range, but it'll dull your lead right away, and you want to do that. All right, so start with the low key, what we call low key, your darkest, densest looking shade in a pencil. And then what you can do is from there you want to go a little bit lighter, and you're going to keep going lighter till you get over here to high key. Here's a trick. Instead of trying to get the pencil to do high key, which is going to be your lightest blend, go here with your stump. I think I have them at the bookstore. Go and check them out. And take some of the lead that's here already and go over here to this area and start to put in your high key. You'll notice that we have enough lead already that you can start working in your high key. Again, with the stump, it's made of paper, right? It's like a paper roll. Don't be using the tip. Use the side to get in there to do your shading. And you'll notice I have a little bit of a darker area right there. This might even be, I might even be able to get it lighter, and I know I can. I'm going to show you a trick that'll get it lighter. You just take your kneaded eraser and find a nice clean spot, and you're going to press it on there and pick up that value that was there. Look at, I've even made it lighter. So now I've got low key and high key established. And what you'll do is you'll go down the scale juggling your different values from the darkest to the lightest. You can, like this one I was really pressing hard on the side. So this one here I want it to be not as dark as, so the pressure of my hand is going to be not as intense as when I was here. All right, and so you'll see that I can start to juggle getting that, and it's going to go a little bit lighter and a little bit lighter, and I can see that I can even get it darker here. You can really start to shift and make those adjustments necessary for your value. All right, just to quickly see how this is going to happen, you just take it, and you can do it on the same page. It's really a study. Take your pencil nice and easy, kind of do the clockwise swirly, and I just kind of did this. And I went around the opposite direction, and I ended like there. Oops, sorry. I ended right there. And I'm going to start to use my value, going from low key to high, really starting to exercise it. So I might press in here in a dark sense, but then I want this part of the bubble to go a little bit lighter. So instead of using my pencil, maybe I'll get this to shift over. What you want to achieve with this is a really nice, smooth blend. You'll notice that this one looks a little bit choppy, so I might have to take my kneaded eraser and lift so that it'll blend really nice and easy. And it's really a juggling. You have to go back, be willing to put some more pencil lead in and take it out with the eraser so that you get this really nice gradual, what they call gradation in your change. You can even get your eraser to probably pick up a little bit, just to give it a little bit more lighter, so that you have a really nice gradation to your pencil changes. Now I did a little one there, but you know, you really need to practice with this. Let's see how you do. Please don't outline in there. Just try to let one go to the other, one bubble go to coexist with the other. Sometimes I might put a line there to start, and then I start to work it out so that it looks like they coexist instead of them being identified by a line. And that'll help you to see. If I put this darker hue right here, you'll be able to see the lighter high key right in here of that bubble. Yeah? Does that make sense? Give it a try, see how it goes, and if all else fails and you know you're frustrated, send me a Facebook page. And you know what I do when I get tired of it? I just go jump in the pool.